Aloha everyone, welcome to Mililani Mauka. This is one of my favorite places on the island. Maybe I'm a little biased because I live here, but we are going to see a beautiful townhouse today. It's listed by Erica Yune with the ACE team and EXP Realty. She's a good friend of mine and has this beautiful listing. It's going to be 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and come check it out. All right, so as soon as you enter the house, you have the flight of stairs to go upstairs. To your left, you have the 1-car garage and 1 parking stall available. This house has a gorgeous layout. So it's got a super open floor plan with a big living area space that goes straight into the dining and the kitchen. So if you like to host, cook for friends, cook for family, you've got room to do it. You've got plenty of storage in your kitchen. And this is so bright and airy with the windows the way they are. This is a smaller community. There's lots of kids that play outside, they're on their bikes, they're walking around, people walking their dogs and that kind of thing. So come on and check the bedrooms out. So these bedrooms are pretty generous size for Oahu. Oftentimes it's hard to fit in even just a twin size bed with a dresser, and this you're easily fitting in a full as well as dressers and whatever you need. It's got updated flooring, updated appliances, and is move-in ready clean. So if you're looking for a new place to call home, this is it. It's beautiful. This is going to be your primary bedroom. So this is going to have room. I feel like you could easily fit a king-size bed here. You've got your big windows, AC units, not everywhere has that. And then you also have a walk-in closet on that side and a bathroom. You have the double vanity, so you and your significant other can get ready. And a shower that is not red dirt stained in Mauka is hard to find. So if you want to see this property or any others, please just reach out 808-829-6819. Mahalo.